What is up, guys? So, ready here. My real name is actually Nihal. So, face reveal question mark. Okay, whatever. So I'm going to say there, right? So I'm gonna do a vlog or try to do a vlog. But before that, I'm gonna do a community tour slash house tour. But there's nothing in my house. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is like the entrance. That's it says Edison Square apart or Edison Square right there. That's That's like the entrance. You go here. There's two phases, right? One's on the left side and one's on the right side. So I live in phase one, which is on the right side. So yeah, this is how it looks. So yeah, here, 1 second. On the right side, here, I'm gonna go through here really quick. If I go through here, I don't know if you can see that, but in the distance, there's a 7-Eleven right there. All right, so I got closer, 7-Eleven right there, and right here, to my right, there is Papa John's, a pizza store. There's another way to come enter in. So on the right side we have an Indian store. You know, I'm Daisy, so that's really helpful. And then there's like a hair cutting store. And we have this ice cream store. It tastes really good. This is how it looks like. It tastes really good. It's like ice cream, but it's just frozen custard. That's that. And if we go here, there's a school. That's a school for like little kids, like preschoolers, I think. These little kids just baby. It's like a daycare kind of, but it's a school too, if you know what I mean. So then, if we go here, so yeah, these are townhomes. They're like different colors, like green, like gray, red, and cream, and blue. So I don't live here. I live in like 3 rows after this, I think, or 2. So yeah, we put our trash outside like every Thursday, and then they pick it up on Friday morning. So right here it's a dead end, and those houses are newly built houses. When we first moved here like a year and a half ago, there was nothing there, and now they're all houses. Pretty cool, that. And now if we turn around, there's a lot more houses. And yeah, if you can see, Papa John's is all the way over there in the end of this road. So yeah, this is the backyard of these houses. It's like not that big, but these are townhomes. So, and there's like woods kind of over there. There's a trail nearby. It's not in our community, it's in another community. But it's like super close, and that's where I go to that community every day to play with my friends. That's the school I was talking about. We just came from all the way around. I live right there in that blue house thing. So I live right here. This is how my house looks like from the back. That's how it looks. So let me just go around really quick. We have the swimming pool right there. And yeah, that's basically it. I live right here. This is our house from the front. Okay. And the car. We actually have this for rent because we had to sell our other one. And we basically almost don't have anything in our garage. Some cereal. Oh yeah, if you're wondering why, my shoes are outside and I cleaned them, and yeah, I left them to dry, so that's that. And this is a black, it's a recycling. It's for recycling, and the other one's right there, that's for the trash. So we just, the entrance. Walk there. It's a Daisy thing again. And the doorbell. Yeah. Open my door, go inside. Stairs right here. Wow, stairs. So right as we go up the stairs, there's a bathroom right there. It's pretty, we don't barely have anything in it. Yeah, it's a basic bathroom. And then we have the room that we stay in. We sleep on the floor right now because we don't have any beds. Kinda sad if you ask me, but that's my sister's room. And this was mine. This was mine. I had my setup right here. So yeah, now there's nothing in it. Nothing in my room. Except for some computers. And these space bars, I custom made them, kind of. Paper. And yeah, this is my view. Pretty good view, to be honest. It has one of the best views in the neighborhood, or yeah, in the community. And here's my closet. Nothing in it. No closet. And then we use this to hang towels, classic Daisy stuff. And here is the washing machine. The washer, dryer, and some extra storage right there. So that's that. And this is it's the master bedroom. I think that's what it is. Yeah, this is where like my parents sleep. Barely anything on the floor. Yeah, I used to use this TV as my second monitor. On my pull-up bar. And here's the closet. It's kind of a small walk-in closet. Pretty small. Yeah, and this is our backyard. I just showed you guys this. Just went to the right over there. And finally, the master bedroom bathroom. And that's basically it. So guys, that's it for the video. And yeah, if please subscribe because I'm gonna do a vlog when I'm going to India. I hope it's good. I hope it turns out good, but you never know because it's like stressful while you're moving, and my parents always tell me like everything. I don't know why, but yeah, they're like bring me that even though they're next to it. I don't know. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, bye.